Hello guys, welcome to G Automotive. This is Gaurav Advani and today we are here in front of the all new MG Hector Plus 7-seater variant. MG Hector Plus पहले सिर्फ 6-सीटर ऑप्शन में अवेलेबल थी बट इसका 7-सीटर हैज़ नाउ बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. इसके राइवल्स की बात कर लें, डायरेक्टली राइवल्स XUV500 एंड कार्स लाइक टाटा हैरियर. सो नाउ लेट अस गेट इनटू द वीडियो एंड फाइंड आउट अबाउट ऑल द चेंजेस एंड इज इट अ गुड ऑप्शन बिटवीन अ बजट ब्रैकेट ऑफ 14 to 20 lakh. Let us start with the key of the car. की में मेजरली 3 बटन्स है, लॉक, अनलॉक एंड फॉर ओपनिंग द बूट ऑफ द कार. दूसरी साइड पे MG का लोगो. स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द एक्सटीरियर, it gets LED DRLs which are same as the previous model with no change in it. Underneath, reflector and projector based LED lights with dynamic flowing LED turn indicators. Underneath, front parking sensors. You also get a newly designed front grille with chrome and black elements which looks beautiful with the MG logo in between. Underneath, you get a newly designed front bumper with silver skid plates. When you will take a wider look at the front end, you will notice in terms of front looks, it somewhat looks better than the normal MG Hector. Let's move on to the side profile. It now gets 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels instead of 17 on the previous model with profile of 215/55 R18. You also get body colored ORVMs with turn indicators. Chrome garnish running across the windows. You get request sensor on co-driver and driver side with chrome garnish on door handles. You also get all 4 disc brakes on the car. That's again a good feature. When you will take a wider look at the side angle of the car, you will notice car now looks more proportionate thanks to the 18-inch wheels. काफ़ी customers ने complain की कि 17-inch wheels जो थे वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा छोटे लगते थे in the side angle. You get silver finished roof rails, a huge panoramic sunroof, shark fin antenna. Now let us move on to the rear end of the car. Take a wider look. Rear end जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा busy रखा गया है. Let us understand each aspect one by one. It gets LED tail lamps, badging of internet inside, a chrome strip connecting both the tail lamps, MG का logo, rear wiper, rear defogger and high mount stop lamp. You also get badging of Hector Plus. Underneath, reflectors and 4 reverse parking sensors. You also get silver finished skid plates on the rear end too. In terms of other features, it also gets reverse parking camera here. Now let us open the boot. Take a look at the boot space of the car. When all 3 rows are in use, you get decent boot space, but all the second and third row seats are configurable, so you can decrease or increase the boot space according to your needs. Being a 7-seater, आपको boot space कम मिलता है when all the 3 rows are in use. Now let us close the boot. So this was all about the exterior. Let us open the driver side door first. डोर पे आपको कंट्रोल्स मिलते हैं फॉर ऑल द 4 पावर विंडोज विद ऑटो अप एंड डाउन फीचर ओनली ऑन द ड्राइवर साइड. चाइल्ड लॉक के बटन्स, सिल्वर फिनिश्ड इंटीरियर डोर हैंडल्स, सॉफ्ट टच इज प्रोवाइडेड हियर ऑन द डोर. अंडरनीथ 1 liter बॉटल रखने की कैपेसिटी विद सम एडिशनल स्टोरेज. स्पीकर्स आर प्लेस्ड हियर विद द ब्रांडिंग ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. ट्वीटर्स आर प्लेस्ड ऑन द A pillar. Talking about the seats, both driver and co-driver seats are 6-way electronically adjustable and both are now ventilated, so that's one of the biggest changes in the interior. Also, seats now get a new brown color option. Seats are very wide and comfortable, so if you go on long trips with a family, you don't have to compromise in terms of comfort. Now let us get into the driver's seat and find out कि पिछले मॉडल से न्यू मॉडल में क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं and what are the features added in the interior. Let us first start the car. The push start stop button is placed here. Take a look at the instrument cluster. This is how the instrument cluster boots up when you start the car. Let's start with the steering wheel itself. Steering wheel is leather wrapped जिसका grip और comfort काफ़ी अच्छा है. Left side पे you get controls for the cruise control. बीच में MG का logo. Horn pad. Right side पे controls for music system and also voice command. मूविंग ऑन टू द इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर, लेफ्ट साइड पे टेकोमीटर, राइट साइड पे स्पीडोमीटर, MID in between with controls for adjusting the brightness. Right side पे AC vents, controls for electronically adjustable ORVMs and also headlight leveler. The second biggest change that has come is the interior is the wireless charging pad. You get manual gearbox. You get two buttons here. First one is controlling the blowing off fan of third row seats. Second is for front parking sensors. You get dual cup holders, manual handbrake, a center armrest for both the passengers with some deep storage. Now let's move on to the 10-inch infotainment system. The change that has come, that assistant is now capable of understanding English commands, that is Hindi plus English with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay connectivity. One complaint about the infotainment system is, जो customers पहले भी complain करते थे, it is quite laggy and irresponsive, वो MG ने solve नहीं की है. So that's where the condition stands now. You get buttons for hazard light, traction control, AC vents on both the sides. The third change that comes is auto dimming IRVM, जो इसके previous model में available नहीं था. Sunglass holder. You get controls for the lights and also controls for huge panoramic sunroof that is provided here. जो sunroof है वो quite practical है. When you go on road trips, it would look beautiful. You get vanity mirrors on the sun visors for driver side and also on the co-driver side. Steering wheel के left side पे you get controls for wipers, right side पे controls for headlights. Talking about the glove box is decent size. It's not illuminated nor cooled. So this was all about the interior. The changes in the interior include wireless charger, auto dimming IRVM, front ventilated seats, dual tone interior and English commands in the infotainment system. So now let us get into the second row seats. Talking about the door पे आपको controls मिलता है for the power window, silver finish में interior door handle, infinity के tweeter, grab handle with some internal storage, space for keeping 1 liter bottle and some additional storage. Now let us get into the second row seats. Talking about the knee room, my height is 6'2" और आगे की सीट मेरी हाइट से एडजस्टेड है and as you can see knee room काफ़ी decent enough बच जाता है. My knees are not touching the front seats and also leg room भी काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोवाइड किया गया है. Also take a look at the huge panoramic sunroof. This sunroof looks beautiful and extends till whole roof. Get grab handles with a coat hook. You get LED reading lamp for the passengers. In terms of other features, you get rear AC vents for the second row passengers and also a charging port. Now take a look at the dashboard of the car. In terms of safety, it gets 4 airbags, ABS, EBD, BA, ESP, traction control and features like 4 disc brakes. In terms of convenience, it gets 3 adjustable headrests with a center armrest with an option of dual cup holders. स्पेस की बात कर ले, सेकेंड रो में काफ़ी अच्छा स्पेस प्रोवाइड किया गया है. 3 एडल्ट्स आराम से बैठ सकते हैं, विच मेक्स इट अ परफेक्ट 7-seater. Now also take a look at the third row seats. You get features like AC vents, cup holder and also controlling the fan speed. You also get a quarter glass placed here, 2 adjustable headrests and talking about space इतनी ज़्यादा प्रोवाइड की नहीं गई है. पीछे एडल्ट्स बैठना प्रेफर नहीं करेंगे एंड दे आर नॉट डिज़ाइन फॉर एडल्ट्स. पीछे आराम से बच्चे बैठ सकते हैं. So this was all about the MG Hector Plus 7-seater variant. It is available in 2 engine options, a 1.5 liter turbo petrol and a 2 liter turbo diesel. Prices start from 13,34,800 and go till 18,32,000. So this was all about the video. Do like, share, subscribe the channel and get notified for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.